Hello friends, welcome to ME Study Lover. Tuni topic discussion ni chu ibol sajing bongwa chu Manipur GK le MPSC previous year paper MCQ part 5 na ilung tawin part 1 to 4 lang ki bol do tan ave nai lo ho jong kachana lo wana vet theu hin ave so hon jong avela head concept le na dinga na vet ki theu hi dang saidam talovin question answer la lut pe taute. Question number 1 in a sign at Article 17 Indian Dan Pino Article 17 Choi Chipeni Ham Ati option A B C D on Kipin. It's all our correct answer to option A abolishes untouchability. Article 17 in untouchability a high tie. Untouchability to Piamitile masanga kolte zat len zat neo ke ka ke khian na no min zat len te zat neo te to kha nya ngayon leilo hi che chu indian dan pi na khai tai tam khana je practice som kinale ki mana je la ke koi te. Next question in say chu this is not a fundamental but a legal right ichi tu ang ke say depend hi fundamental hi loi wanga legal right chi pi ding a cha phai wanga fundamental chu ti ta chu ho ta chui loi ho che pen hi am. Option A right to equality right to freedom right to constitutional remedies right to property correct answer chu hile option D right to property ye right to property first one also fundamental 7 fundamental rights la na jaw in article 31 na hi ei wanga parliament 44 amendment 1978 na hi hungi tha pass ki na article 31 hi fundamental right ko na ki kat la to article constitution right article 300A ai ki koi tai to ai fundamental rights in you chu 6 fundamental rights ai tai. Next question is chu ile khangkhui cave chu hoi lai mam ti koi district nga Manipur hoi lai district nga no mam abi abe he option A Tamenglong Sinapati Ukul Chandel correct answer chu ile option C khulao me khangkhui cave ana ve vela no ma no hin cave song ko na sata khan min chi khanai lo na ga theu hi aban chirtin. Next question is chu ile Dandi March by Gandhi was started from Dandi March kiti Soul Satyagraha Gandhi in civil disobedience movement patna dinga abol ma sat pen chu Dandi March hin chichoi la pa sa lai chan chi chun his modern history simon het de hin ta sonomen la pa sa ki panham tile option correct answer chu ile option A Sabarmati Assam apana hunki pan hi Soul Martin on ki hen isu ichi important het dinga pha he Gandhi chun koi ama changa chi ma chi poi 78 ata sat ta anung zui 17 mi som se gi le get ta chi khom hin itinia chi 12 March 1930 apat 6 April khaling di cha sudu ba March bole Gujarat sunga ho Gujarat na ho me so March bona chu Sabarmati apan ashram chan kilometer lizan 384 miles asa dinga 240 miles he chi so he factor hin he lawa point mo he. Next question is chu the first color feature film in Manipur correct answer chu ile option A B C D hoi chi pe ani correct answer chu ile option C langlen thadoi ichi amo so pe na so nai bolong e bolwa chu khalong sei ta ma cha Manipur first Manipur film choi chamati hen ichi mistake lo deu he first color feature film ki amo so pe na khavya kan do choile first feature film in Manipur he color jawlo color zawna chu langlen thadoi he. Next question the novel God of Small Things chi kona jin 2005 ong ki dang he God of Small Things chi koin jin tile correct answer chu D Arundhati Roy he. Next question is chu the historic Kangla Fort complex was formally handed back to the people of Manipur in presence of Prime Minister Sri Manmohan Singh on itinya jo Kangla Fort Assam rifle na to phao hin chu Manipur mi pi te ding ai ti nya chu lo pi tam Prime Minister Manmohan Singh ma sanga na ke pi do ham tile correct answer chu ile option A 20 November 2004 ni chun ana pi do ta vina hi. Next question is to choose the correct statements. It's all I chi diam saying. Number A na chun the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PMGSY was launched by Government of India to provide connectivity to unconnected habitations as a part of poverty reduction strategy. B na Manipur qualify for PMGSY to C na in Manipur the project was taken under the Manipur State Rural Road Development Agency. Hi diam. Ati choose na ti. Answer chule 4 ne di abon ne di. PMGSY chu he so ke din tu lai tai ho Manipur lang chi la jing hin kho khat thing thang kho khat ki zo man na dia lam MPSC mo hin chi bola ki sim ham te lai hung ki dang the poverty reduction strategy vai cha su mang na ding lung yel na ki bola hi. B na chun se Manipur ni PMGSY 2 na cha qualify e Manipur project chu hi PMGSY project chu Manipur State Rural Road Development Agency MSRRDA na kon amanu ya tonga hi ti bona di. Next question is according to seismologists Manipur falls in zone dash of earthquake prone area. Manipur earthquake prone area is zone izana seismologists ho sai dung ri achu option hong kipi ho ele A na zone 2 B na zone 3 C na zone 4 D na zone 5. Correct answer choile D zone 5 hai danger pen danger chilai me among kipi hi earthquake zone hoi chi chilai hi ham ave sa hi vom lai si hi danger na mun he monot ni sung si pura vom ni Gujarat lang chilang chunglang Delhi kom la dan nong red zone black zone na ho khani chilai hi earthquake ha na mun hin abana sana hi next zone 4 moderate asan timo hi moderate yellow hi apapen hi chu in sangong ki sa thailo hi Manipula. Next question na senachule Manipula hi tribes ya no mamti government recognize. Option A B C D ki pikinin correct answer chule option D 34 le list 34 tribes of me Manipula recognize. List of the cho yin na sim no mole na pushwa na vet thewe aban chalo tin question na sena chole how many % of geographical area in the state is covered by forest. Percentage yani forest na cover ham te Manipur options are 68 78 60% 80% chi ham correct answer choice B 78% hi. Okay hi chan Indian loi te tu ni ai tu gya na hin vet ke jivin ka pa in abana yong i bol be thine di vin like le subscribe nei bol pi vin ka ke pa